Hi everyone, thank you very much for joining me for today's 30 days 30 pours challenge. This is a dustpan pour. I haven't used a dustpan for one of these before. I have turned cups over and kind of stretched the cells a little bit with this flexible chopping board before. It's my first go at one of these. So I've seen a lot on Instagram because they look really amazing, and I think cells are quite important for this, so I might add a little silicone to my paints today. I'm just prepping my canvas. I've got a canvas board here, it's about A4 size. I got it at Sostrina Galina, and I've run out of my normal, what are they called, studio wrapped canvases. I can't seem to find gallery wrapped anywhere, not even in the art stores. My pouring medium today is polyvinyl alcohol. That's sold as Elmer's clear glue in the USA, and I'm sure in other places it's sold as that as well. Right, so I'm going to start off with some of my base colour, which is just an off-white. Then I'm going to put a few transparent colours in. So I've got some Basics Prism Violet here, some Phthalo Cyanide Green, put some gold in. Well, that looks really nice. A little bit of magenta, quinacridone magenta. So I'm going to take some of my metallic green paint. That's like a pale metallic green. And I will just add a tiny drop, one drop of silicone oil to that. Mix it in, not too much. And pour in from a height to create some sort of churning effect here. Now this is looking quite dark, so I'm going to put a little bit of this coral in as well. Hopefully that won't spoil the effect. So my flip cup is full. This has got a kind of slightly bowed profile, so I will try and not rest it on the canvas too much. I'm not going to get the best seal on there, but let's see. Oh wow. You've got to keep this moving so it doesn't get too many lines in it. See if I can get that off, just off the corner. Okay, I really like that a lot. Dustpan looks beautiful as well. Some really interesting things happening here. I'm going to touch up some of this background while I wait for this to react, and I'm definitely going to be stretching this a bit because there's a lot of paint here. The cup looks amazing. Can you see that? I've got a little bit left there, so I might go back in. Right, I need more of my background colour because I can see that there's a slight level difference. Well, this looks very interesting. The quinacridone magenta or the prism violet has interacted with, has created a kind of overlay over a lot of the metallic green, and it's made it this sort of metallic silvery plum colour. Ah, that's a pity. That's a pity. There's too much silicone, too many cells there. What a shame. See, this is quite nice here. What's going on here? And even this, but this coral in the middle is too much for me. Okay, I'm gonna try. Let's see what I can do with the rest of this cup. There's just a centimetre or two of paint left in there. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, let's see if I can cover up some of this coral that's a bit too much. It's changing so much. I feel like there's a lot of paint in the middle here, so I'm going to, I think I need to tilt off this way and maybe tilt some off there. Right, let's get rid of this. Really need to stop soon. I think what this challenge has really made me aware of is how almost no technique is just one thing. Everything's got a little bit of swipe or a little bit of flip cup or a bit of you use different techniques to finesse the end results of your pour. And every single pour is damaged by overworking, which is, you know, something that's like a really major issue of mine. I try and pour to kind of teach myself to control that impulse, but as yet I still have it very, very strongly, the urge to overwork and kind of overdo everything. Right, I'm going to stop there. Please consider liking this video if you like it and subscribing to my channel. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!